Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to this channel and let's see our today's video, and that is English workshop of the lesson Let's March. So let's start. First we are going to complete warming up. First question, observe the pictures and answer. Here two pictures have been given. A. Main difference between the two images. In first picture, the boy is working in a brick work site. And in second picture, the boy is going to school by cycle. B. Change required. The first picture boy must go to school instead of working there. C. Your contribution as a student to help and make a difference to needy children. As a student, I will try to aware their parents to send them school. I can give my books, remaining notebooks, and my savings to send them school. Second number question. Put right or wrong mark. A good speech delivered requires the following characteristic. First, well planned and thoughts well organized. Right. Second, delivered softly and in a low voice. Wrong. Speaker need not greet the dignitaries and audience. Wrong. Language used should be suitable to the audience. Right. Speech should be of a proper duration. Right. 6. Speaker should be passive and have no facial expression. Wrong. 7. Speech should be supported by good examples, episodes, visual aids where possible. Right. Speaker should switch over from one language to another. Wrong. Third number question. Read the expressions and insert them in a proper columns. Put the proper expression number in the right column. तो नीचे स्पीच में इस्तेमाल होने वाले कुछ सेंटेंसेस दिए, तो वो उस टेबल में कहाँ पे फिट होंगे आपको बताने. फर्स्ट, ग्रीटिंग एंड सैल्यूटेशन में कौन कौन आएगा. थर्ड वन, ऑनरेबल चीफ गेस्ट, एमिनेंट डिग्निटरीज, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. और एक सेंटेंस आएगा. 7 नंबर, गुड मॉर्निंग टू वन एंड ऑल प्रेजेंट टुडे. इंट्रोडक्शन में कौन कौन सा आएगा. 5th नंबर, आई एम आदर्श बिराजदार स्टैंडिंग बिफोर यू. और एक आएगा 2nd नंबर, लेट मी बिगिन टुडे बाय शेयरिंग माय ओन एक्सपीरियंस. बॉडी ऑफ द स्पीच में आएगी. 4th नंबर आएगा, आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई वी एक्सेप्ट दिस इशू सो पैसिवली. और एक आएगा 6th नंबर, अ रिनोन पर्सनैलिटी नेम सेज. और एक आएगा 9 नंबर, लेट मी गिव एन एग्जाम्पल. और आएगा 11 नंबर, यू मस्ट हैव नोटिस दैट. कंक्लूजन जहाँ पे एंड होता है. बिफोर आई कंक्लूड आई वुड लाइक टू थिंक ओवर द फैक्ट दैट. और एक आएगा 1st नंबर, इमेजिन आफ्टर 10 years व्हाट विल हैपन. लास्ट में थैंकिंग द ऑडियंस, इसमें 8 नंबर आएगा, आई एक्सप्रेस माई डीप ग्रेटिट्यूड टू द ऑर्गेनाइजर्स ऑफ दिस फंक्शन. 10 नंबर भी आएगा, थैंक यू फॉर ऑल योर पेशेंट लिसनिंग एंड योर इंटरेस्ट इन माई टॉक. 4th number question, with the help of your teacher and classmates, make a list of as many Indian Nobel laureates as you can. एक तो हमें पहले से पता है, फर्स्ट पोएम वाला रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर, नोबेल प्राइज फॉर लिटरेचर. 2nd, C.V. Raman for physics in 1930. 3rd, Mother Teresa for peace in 1979. 4th, Amartya Sen for economic science in 1998. Let's move towards margin question. First question, what does Satyarthi refuse to accept? Answer, Satyarthi refuses to accept the following things. All the temples and mosques and churches and prayer houses have no place for the dreams of our children. The world is so poor when just 1 week of global military expenditure can bring all the children to classrooms. All the laws and constitutions, police and judges are unable to protect our children. The shackles of slavery can be stronger than the quest for freedom. Second number question, what is the only aim in life for Kailash Satyarthi? Answer, Kailash Satyarthi's only aim in life is that every child is free to be a child, free to grow and develop, free to eat, sleep, and see daylight, free to laugh and cry, free to play and learn, free to go to school, and above all, free to dream. Third number question. What did millions of individuals demand 18 years ago? Answer. 18 years ago, millions of individuals marched across the globe and demanded a new international law for the abolition of worst form of child labor. Fourth number question. Why does the 8-year-old girl's question shake Mr. Satyarthi? Answer. The 8-year-old girl's question shakes Mr. Satyarthi because there are many other children who need to be rescued. They may be waiting for their rescuers. Her question makes realize the condition of other child laborers. Fifth number question. What matters according to Satyarthi? According to Mr. Satyarthi, every single minute, every single child, and every single childhood matters. Sixth number question. What does Satyarthi challenge? Answer. Satyarthi challenges the passivity and the pessimism surrounding our children, this culture of silence, passivity, and neutrality. Seventh number question. What was the response of boy's father? What was Satyarthi's reaction to it? Answer. The boy's father responded that he had never thought about his son's education because they were born to work. His answer made Satyarthi angry and still makes him angry. Eighth number question. What was Mr. Satyarthi's vision as a child? Answer. As a child, Mr. Satyarthi had a vision of tomorrow, that the cobbler boy was sitting with him in his classroom. Ninth number question. What rights should every child have in our times? Answer. In our times, every child should have a right to life, right to freedom, right to health, right to education, right to safety, right to dignity, right to equality, and right to peace. 10 number question. What does Mr. Satyarthi request the listeners? Answer. Mr. Satyarthi requests the listeners to put their hand close to their heart, close their eyes, and feel the child inside them and try to listen to that child. 11 number question. According to Mr. Satyarthi, who are calling for us? Answer. According to Mr. Satyarthi, thousands of Mahatma Gandhis, Nelson Mandelas, and Martin Luther Kings calling on us. Let's move towards English workshop. First question. Name the following. The person to whom Kailash Satyarthi gives the highest credit of his honor. Answer. Kalu Kumar, Dhoom Das, Adarsh Kishore, and Iqbal Masih. B. The greatest personalities from the land of Buddha. Guru Nanak, Mahatma Gandhi. C. So-called daughters of Kailash Satyarthi. Malala, Two Kainats, Shazia, the daughters from Africa and from all over the world. D. The foreign activists of equal rights mentioned in the speech. Iqbal Masih, Malala Yousafzai, and Tom Harkin. Second number question. Mention the social issues highlighted by Kailash Satyarthi in his speech. One social issue is given for you. A. Child labor. B. Slavery. C. Child marriage. D. Trafficking. E. Sexual abuse. And F. Illiteracy. Third number question. Complete the following diagram or chart. The aim in life of Kailash Satyarthi is that every child should be free. ये क्वेश्चन हम पहले से सॉल्व कर चुके, फिर से सॉल्व करते हैं. टू बी अ चाइल्ड, टू ग्रो एंड डेवलप, टू ईट, स्लीप एंड सी डे लाइट, टू लाफ एंड क्राई, टू प्ले एंड लर्न, टू गो टू स्कूल, टू ड्रीम. Fourth number question. Complete the following web chart. What Kailash Satyarthi appeals? Answer. Let us democratize knowledge. Let us universalize justice. Let us globalize compassion. Let us march from ignorance to awakening. Let us march from darkness to light. Number question. Think and give your own responses. A. How can education help the deprived children and child laborers? Answer. By education, the deprived children and child laborers will come to know about society, nation, and world. It will help them to know about their rights, and they will also demand those rights. They will get suitable jobs. It will make their future bright. B. Name any other social activist who has is working honestly for child welfare. Write about his or her activities. Kriti Bharti is a social activist who works for abolishing the practice of child marriages in India and for providing social justice for women. She is the founder of Sarthi Trust, an organization that works mainly for the annulment of child marriages, providing counseling to children and their families, and rehabilitating the victims of child marriages. Question number C. What message does the little bird story of the forest fire convey to us? Explain. The little bird story conveys the message that we should not think how big the problem is and how small we are. A small thing also can achieve big success. We must think about the solution of a problem rather than to quit. D. Beside the political freedom that our nation enjoys, what other freedom should it strive for? Say why. Answer. Beside the political freedom that our nation enjoys, it should strive for the betterment of social conditions. We should focus on the education for all. Create more job vacancies. India should focus on industries development as well as enhancing the nature. It must make strict laws for girls. It should teach great values to upcoming generation to make it really developed country. People should be having scientific attitude and having respect of our old traditions. E. What is your impression of the acceptance speech given by Kailash Satyarthi when he received the Nobel Prize? Write in 3 to 4 sentences. Answer. I feel really proud that he has been awarded with the Nobel Prize. His speech was indeed an inspiration for everyone. The work he has done is really impressive. The most important thing that he is an Indian, and it makes me feel so happy. Question number 6. Choose the correct option and write in front of the given word to convey the exact meaning. A. Divinity, Divyata, godliness. B. Extremist, उग्रवादी कहते हैं, militant. C. Culminate, परिणाम कहते हैं, rise to a peak. D. Exploitation, शोषण करना, misuse. E. Mortality, मृत्यु दर, death. F. Dignity, आत्मसम्मान, self-esteem. Question number 7. Pick out from the lesson A. Noun forms of the following words. A. Dignified. Answer. Dignity. B. Pacify. Answer. Peace. C. Pursue. Answer. Pursuit. Ignore. Ignorance. E. Poor. Poverty. F. Divine. Answer. Divinity. B. Verb forms of. A. Democracy. Answer. Democratize. B. Global. Answer. Globalize. C. Hindrance. Hinder. D. Resolution. Resolve. E. Liberty. Liberate. F. Service. Serve. Question number 8A. Use the following words as a noun as well as verb and make a meaningful sentence with each set in your notebook. तो नीचे कुछ वर्ड्स दिए गए जिन्हें वर्ब में एज वेल एज नाउन में इस्तेमाल करना है. फर्स्ट वन, मार्च. वर्ब, I march with my friends for 2 hours on our school ground. Noun, that march was done by the soldiers. Second, honor. Verb, he was honored with Bharat Ratna. Noun, she gave me the honor to distribute the books. Third, credit. Verb, the check has been credited to your account. Noun. It was her credit that you passed in the exam. Last stitch. Verb. My mom stitched my torn pant. Noun. A stitch in time saves 9. Question number B. Write minimum 4 hidden words of more than 4 letters from intergovernmental word. Answer. Meet, team, neat, enter, govern, mental, internet, government. Question number C. Make meaningful sentences by using the following phrases in your notebook. A. In the pursuit of. किसी चीज को पाने के लिए. We have to work hard in the pursuit of success. B. Be afraid of. किसी चीज का डर. They are afraid of leaving the house at night. C. Give up. त्याग देना, छोड़ देना. She has given up bad habits as her mother told her. D. Pick from the lesson the antonyms of. Opposite words लिखने. Ignorance, knowledge. Deny, accept. Well-known, unknown. Immortality, mortality. Violence, peace. Slavery, freedom. Question number 9A. What will you do in the following situations? A. If you see a child working in a restaurant, I will ask the manager of that restaurant, what is this happening? B. If you find a child working on a construction site, I will warn the supervisor as well as the builder of the site. C. If you find a child working on a brickwork site, I will try to make his parents aware about his education. D. If you come across a beggar child, I will tell it to my parents to help him. Question number B. Write any 2 efforts that you can make to enroll deprived children out of school children into a school. One is given to you. A. I will persuade parents of such children to send them to school. B. I will tell to my friends to contribute the pocket money for them. C. I will give them my old books, notebooks and bags. In question number 10A, the types of sentences have been given. First, statement. Second, interrogative sentence. Third, imperative sentence. And fourth, exclamatory sentence. So, question number B is there. Say whether the following sentences are assertive, imperative, interrogative or exclamatory. First, the mantra carries a prayer. It is assertive sentence because it is statement. Second, is the world so poor? It is interrogative sentence because it is a question. Third, kill not your children because of poverty. It is imperative because it is command. Fourth, let's walk together. It is also imperative because it is command. Fifth, what can one person do? It is interrogative sentence. It is WH type question. Sixth number, we have made progress. It is assertive sentence because it is statement. How utterly we have failed our children. It is exclamatory sentence. 8. What a big challenge it is. It is also exclamatory sentence. Question number C. Rewrite the following sentences as assertive, means statements. First, why didn't you come earlier? Means you should have come earlier. Second, how frightened their eyes look? Means their eyes look so frightened. Third, how angry it makes me? Means it makes me so angry. Fourth, should I accept such shackles of slavery? It means no, I should not accept such a shackles of slavery. Fifth, what can one person do? Means one person cannot do big things or much things. 11 number question. Observe the following underlined phrases. Here have or has are followed by past participle form of the verb. This construction indicates the present perfect tense. तो नीचे present perfect tense के कुछ constructions दिए गए. Find more such sentences from the text. पहले 3 दिए गए उन्हें read करते. We have made progress in the last couple of decades. Second, we have prevented millions of child deaths. Third, it has happened. Fourth, we have reduced the number of out-of-school children by half. Fifth, we have utterly failed our children in imparting an education. B. In the following sentences, the underlined words are called infinitives, to plus verb. Find such examples from the speech and underline the infinitive. First, every child is free to grow. Second, I refuse to accept that all the laws and constitutions, police and judges are unable to protect our children. To accept and to protect. Third, I am unable to do that. To do. Fourth, I have come here only to share the voices and dreams of children. To share. Fifth, he was forced to kill his friends and family. To kill. C. Complete the following sentences with the help of sentences given below. तो नीचे डिग्री के 2 सेंटेंसेस दिए, मैं डायरेक्टली आंसर बताने वाला हूँ. अगर आप इस टॉपिक को और अच्छे से समझना चाहते हो तो इस टॉपिक का वीडियो हम बना चुके हैं. यू कैन चेक द लिंक इन डिस्क्रिप्शन. क्वेश्चन ए. द बिगेस्ट चैलेंज नॉकिंग ऑन द डोर्स ऑफ ह्यूमन काइंड इज फियर एंड इंटॉलरेंस. First, positive. No other challenge knocking on the doors of humankind is as big as fear and intolerance. Second, comparative. Fear and intolerance are bigger than any other challenge knocking on the doors of humankind. B. The Nobel Prize is one of the greatest honors in the world. First, positive degree. Very few honors are as great as the Nobel Prize in the world. Second, comparative. The Nobel Prize is greater than many other honors in the world. 12 number question. A. Match the sentences given in part A with the sentences given in part B. Note the differences in structure. तो पार्ट ए और पार्ट बी में एक्टिव और पैसिव के सेंटेंसेस दिए गए हैं, तो अच्छे से मैच कीजिए. फर्स्ट, ही वॉज किडनैप्ड बाय एन एक्सट्रीमिस्ट मिलिशिया. आंसर, an extremist militia kidnapped him. Second, the child was forced to kill his friends and family. Answer A. They forced the child to kill his friends and family. This can be done by them. Third, we can do this. B. You might have observed that the sentences in part A are in passive, while the sentences in part B are in the active. Now change the following sentences into passive voice. First, we can do this. Answer, it can be done by us. Second, her angry question still shakes me. Answer, I am still shaken by her angry question. Third, governments must make child-friendly policies. Answer, child-friendly policies must be made by government. Fourth, his answer made me angry. Answer, I was made angry by his answers. 13 number question. Imagine your school invites Malala to preside over Children's Day celebration program. Draft a welcome speech for this guest of honor. Gather information about her from internet or your school library. While drafting the speech, following points should be kept in mind. First, greeting and salutation. Second, self-introduction and introduction of the topic. Third, catchy thought, piece of news, short episode to start with. Fourth, body of the speech supported with related examples and episodes. Fifth, conclusion. And sixth, thanking the audience. So here we have done all the activities of this lesson. So thank you so much for watching the whole video and subscribing this channel. Bye.